Gallery widgets can be added onto most pages of your website. As mentioned in a previous video, galleries are a great way to showcase images of your work or the business. Drag and drop the gallery widget onto the web page. Inside of the Select Images window, click on the Add Image button. Inside of the File Manager, select your uploaded images or upload more images. Click on the Image Directory button to access free stock images from Unsplash. Once you have selected your images, then click Select. The gallery images will now be displayed on the web page. Then click Save.